The idea here is to build a blockchain smart contract for aviation fuel consumption and invoice verification. Why blockchain is relevant? Because in the airline industries, fuel cost is the biggest operational cost. On an average, around 32% of the operating cost goes to fuel purchase, aviation fuel purchase. In the year 2012, around $210 billion of money is spent only for the fuel purchase by the airline companies put together worldwide. Oil invoice verification is a very tedious process which is subject to mistakes like duplicate invoice postings, wrong invoice posting, data sent via emails, Excel sheet, manual errors, and etc. And also not all oil companies have presence in all the airports, so they depend upon heavily on the partner oil companies, which raises a trust issue with the airline companies. So idea here is to build a smart contract in blockchain based network for aviation fuel consumptions between the following parties. Number one is a main airline company, for example, Lufthansa, main fuel company, for example, Shell or BP. Then a local airport fuel operating company could be Shell or BP, or local companies like IOCL or HP. A merger or partner airline company like Delta Airline partner with Virgin Atlantic, and also banks. In the process, we first create a smart contract between the airline companies and the main aviation fuel supplying company. The smart contract will have the smart condition. Once trip fuel is loaded in the flight, the fuel supplying company can update the smart contract with the quantity of fuel loaded. The pilot confirms the quantity, and that is updated in the blockchain as a trip fuel quantity. In the airport where the main aviation fuel does not have the fuel station, the partner fuel company can also update the trip fuel details in the blockchain. The smart oil contract can have an inbuilt tolerance limit for the trip fuel quantities. Based on the trip fuel confirmation, direct payment to the oil companies can be made in cryptocurrencies or via banks. The blockchain-based smart contract will ensure transparency in fuel consumption and fuel supply. Based on the smart condition, payment can be made to the fuel companies either via cryptocurrency or via bank instructions. In the smart contract, a quantity tolerances can be made as per the agreed terms between the parties. The partner fuel operating companies can also participate in the blockchain and update the smart contract with their fuel trip information, and from the airports where the main fuel operating company is not present. Partner or any other airline companies can also use the same blockchain on subscription basis and onboard the other oil companies.